and stole your bumper and your rear end, dude.
Dude, oh my gosh.
That's fucked up.
I found this on the side of the road.
How much time you need? How you doing?
Wow, you look great.
Yeah.
Just pretty screwed back there.
Yeah. How's the drive? It's you?
It's rough.
It's you? Yeah, you wild.
This is sick.
Oh, the Dinka Civic? This car is the ready demo car.
Oh, sweet.
So it's technically like a full-on race car if you think about it.
I mean, it better be if it's got all these stickers on
It's
it.
pretty fast.
I never grew up in the Honda scene, so I don't know all the
That's all good.
terms. Thank you, dude. Look at that.
Yeah, I didn't pay for this. Got it for free. Hey, Carson, you're in Zach Wingfield's vlog.
What's up, dog?
What's up, dude? What's up?
What's up, dude? What's up?
Hey, buddy.
Jeez. It's bright. Is the sun always this bright in California? It's like a truck station. Is it?
Oh shit, dude. Someone came around and stole your bumper and your rear end, dude.
Dude, oh my gosh.
That's fucked up, man. That's fucked up. Oh well. Bro, I'm supposed to be sleeping right now. Got Zach's E36 outside.
Nobody stole it.
No, thank goodness.
But something happened to the back of it.
I know. Someone just ripped that ass apart, bro.
Pretty much.
I wonder who it was.
Dude. Who did that?
There's a guy named Wally that lives around here.
Yeah.
Hey, at least he kept his swing rally stick on.
True. It's good he didn't take that.
That was a decent gesture.
I don't know if I call it a gesture, but I think he just forgot it. All right, see you soon, LA.
Hell yeah, brother.
Good to see you.
Tell Emelia I said hi.
All right.
Or I can say hi myself. Hi, Emelia.
Later.
Later, brother.
All right, so leaving San Jose now. It is 9 o'clock a.m. I should be in LA by 3:30, and we'll meet up with James Baxter and Emelia and make some magic. Hopefully we can let her drive the E36. That'll be fun. How's it feel to be the biggest Hollywood celebrity?
So I just love what I do so much. I just feel like it's something that you're not supposed to talk about personally. So I found this on the side of the road. Some guy ditched it and ran off. So I was like, cool, I got a car now.
All right, well, go ahead and jump in and we'll start drifting, I guess. Are you excited?
Yeah, toads.
Yeah, toads. All right, take us there.
I'm doing it for the boys.
So, put the clutch in. Clutch. Yeah, there you go. Let's reduce the backfire as much as we can for now. Yeah, the reason that we're having to sit so close to the wheel is because the clutch stop had to be removed so we could fully depress it.
I feel like a school bus driver. They're like, all right, kids, let's go to school.
Yeah, so that stuff needs to be adjusted for sure. All right, go ahead and turn it off. And then put it in gear. Yeah, you're good. Okay. So now we're gonna go get our film equipment.
I reek a gas.
Okay, but now that we're like in this area, now I want to drive it because I feel like this is like a good.
I don't know how long this will be straight for though.
We'll be good.
I feel like you need to preface everything we're doing is totally legal. We're on private roads.
We're on private. Oh yeah, cut everything out from earlier. This is a private road. We have a permit to be on our own private road. Yep. All right.
It's got a mind of its own. How's that?
That was great.
Fuck, now I just want to keep doing it.
You don't want to kill the light.
Further forward. Now this is not how you ratchet shop a car. But we were expecting cops to be flying in. Wanted to quick get away.
So that's what we're doing. I thought you were just trying to fix your rear bumper there.
This like speedy getaway is not exactly speedy.
Because you guys are filming.
You're doing great, man. Keep it up.
Hurry up, man. We gotta go.
Come on, man. Cops, cops, cops.
30 seconds. That was the fastest load up I've ever done.
Right, and then the E36 is just off
shit.
the trailer.
Alright, we're back at point A. Alright, how was it?
That was awesome. Wait, am I like stoked right now? I'm like, it was okay.
We didn't have a whole lot of time to, this house behind us is ridiculous. We didn't have a lot of time to let her, like, actually get behind the wheel. She literally drove the car for 15 seconds.
No shit. You're like,
and had to avoid curbs already.
I didn't even drive it. And he's like, oh, just initiate and send it. I was just like,
But we loaded this thing up as soon as possible. Even though it was a closed private road.
Yeah, of course.
We didn't want to take the risks of the cops maybe forgetting that we got a permit to do that.
Maybe they just didn't get the MO about
It's
permit.
more so we don't want to deal with the drama, so. All right, cool.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Yep.
Cool.
See you at Dustin's.
Yeah.
Who's that? Never heard of him.
Such an ass.
So that was awesome. Amelia got a chance to drive the E36, put her in the driver's seat and told her to send it, and got some sweet footage. And now I'm headed to Hollywood to meet up with my good friend James Baxter. I've not seen him in 3 years. He's a super talented photographer that I met in Atlanta, Georgia during the solo experience. Yeah, we're gonna go grab some street tacos and check out his apartment in Hollywood. Alright, entering downtown LA. Oh, you brought your dog.
Yeah.
Hey, dude.
Her name is Kush.
Man.
What's up, bro?
Hey,
So good to
Kush.
see you.
Street tacos.
Porque ahora que sabes que hacen Lesmo, ahora horrible para mí. Voy a gastar un montón de dinero aquí ya. Yo voy a llevar un burrito. De pollo nada más. What do you want?
I didn't know you spoke Spanish.
Oh yeah, fluently.
Your dog.
So funny.
I like this neck cushion. I've never seen that.
Yeah, it's pretty much like a cone, but rather than putting like a cone on her, we put like this like airplane pillow on her.
Yeah.
So she looks hilarious. She looks like she's always like going on a flight.
Yeah.
Come on, mama.
Perfect. Thank you. Ooh.
Paramount Studios is 2 blocks that way. Like the
Really?
actual like whole studio is right there. Yeah, that's my one, the top one on the with the white.
That's yours up there?
Penthouse.
Dude, it's awesome.
Dude, your spot looks sick too, though.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, it doesn't have quite the aesthetic of the palm trees and the beautifully painted matching apartment complexes, but this place is pretty rad, dude.
So funny, man.
Is this a French?
Yeah.
Does he speak French?
No, she doesn't speak anything.
Yeah.
Get her.
Yo, I'm vlogging here.
Uh-oh.
Get you some of this East Coast love here.
Hit you with this boring.
One. Say hello to my little friend. That is the most LA thing possible, is to have Philip Hue lights and a boring flamethrower.
Correct.
In the penthouse.
And a dog with
A French bulldog, of course.
A French bulldog with a
Neck pillow.
With the neck pillow.
Airplane neck pillow.
Ready to take flight.
How much time you need, pussy boy? How much time you need?
Hell yeah. About to go run the train on the town, bro? Does it look like I'm about to run the train on the town right now? I don't know. You saw me.
Brett had an amazing line.
So when I get in, you're just gonna like storm the door. I'll hold it open.
Keep going. What a performance.
Barro! Yeah! Holy shit! Hi, fool. Hey, you coming crazy.
Where are we tonight?
I mean, we turned up at fucking no vacancy. Holy shit. We got the hot dog stands cooking. You see the vibes. You see the vibe.
I see the vibes.
At this point in time, I'm Superman. I guess that's what $64.61 gets you. Yellow. Have a good night. How you doing? Wow, you look great.
We thought you were dead! We thought you have to shoot.
Give me that receipt.
Yo, that shit is fire.
$64. Franklin.
Waterloo!
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Not even that good.